it's Missy here. Thank you so much for joining me. First, I do have eyelashes. Just stick straight. So if I look a little weird, I apologize. I didn't want to put on false lashes today. But anyway, you're not here to talk about makeup. You're here to talk about the last video in my Pride Month collab with Michael and Debra. Of course, their links will be in the description box down below, along with a link and a coupon code to Paper House Productions. We have spent the last 4 weeks making projects using items from Paper House Productions. Paper House Productions is one of the only craft companies that I know of that actually have a whole line of products dedicated to not only Pride, but Black Lives Matter, diversity, all of it you can find on their website, and I hope they continue to expand. So I will say that I've recently picked up a couple of things from My Favorite Things. They came out with the Love is Love die, 2 different dies and a stencil, I believe. And then I stumbled upon Stamp Anything, who also has a Pride Month or a Pride themed sentiment stamp set, and along with same-sex couple stamps. So we're slowly getting there, but we're nowhere near where we need to be as far as inclusivity and diversity in the crafting community. And I hope you will help me lead the charge to change that across all the board. So we've spent the last 4 weeks creating projects, and today I'm going to share with you how I mass produce. You guys have seen me do this in the past. Today we're going to be making lunchbox notes, and we're also going to be making a set of regular size note cards, just using supplies, mostly using supplies from the Paper House stickers, etc. that I've picked up. So in September or so is when I hope to do the card auction. So I want to give myself a few more months to get some more designs done. I want to have a boatload of cards to auction off. All of the proceeds from that auction will go to a charity that benefits queer youth. Studies show that when a queer youth has one supportive person in their inner circle, that reduces their possibility of suicide by 40%. And that's just a huge number. And it takes absolutely nothing to support someone who has the right to love who they want to love and live their life as they should be able to. So enough jibber jabber. As I said, there will be a link. If I missed it, there's a link to the Paper House Productions in the description box down below, along with a coupon code to save 15% off whatever you want to purchase in the store. I also believe they're currently having a pretty huge giveaway, so you can find that on their website. I also have direct links to Michael, who is Wordle Michael, Trent, and Debra. So I want to thank them again for participating with me in the month of for the month of Pride. But as a reminder, again, we should be supporting LGBTQ plus individuals 24/7, 365. It takes nothing at all to just offer and lend your support. So let's head over to my craft table. I'm going to work you through two different sets of cards, and then I'm going to share with you a third set. So as I mentioned, I'll be sharing with you 3 different sets. I'm going to make 2 sets with you on camera, one of them being a full-size set and the other one being a small lunchbox set. So I went ahead and placed another order with Paper House Productions because I wanted to pick up their pack of stickers. These are mini stickers that are perfect for if you're someone who uses a planner, etc. And then I also picked up another set of those dimensional stickers. So instead of using a paper for a background, I thought on these I would use some of these small stickers, and these will create a really fun backdrop for one of these stickers as a die cut. So this little pack has a ton of mini stickers in it. I mean, a literal ton, well, not a literal ton, Misty, but there's a lot. And there's so much fun. The ones on the backer sheets, on the acrylic backer sheets are shiny. The ones in the sticker book are not, they're more paper. So again, I'm just adding a little bit of these. You will see this design as what was on my thumbnail, but I also create 2 more to go with this, and you'll see that picture at the end. So we're going to go ahead and make our lunchbox notes. Now I like to keep mine to 3x3, so I'm cutting down sheets of paper in white down to 6x3, and then I'm going to score at 3. Normally I like to do my scoring ahead of time, but I was using bits and pieces of paper to make these. I'm cutting down my pattern paper to 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then I'm cutting down squares of red to 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and that's how we're going to get our layers. So I do all my cutting first, then I move on to assembly. And here I've used a couple of sheets. Are these both from Mon Fun? No, I honestly don't remember, but any kind of rainbow paper will do ya. So once I have got these all adhered together, then I am going to go ahead and adhere them on to the cards. I am not stamping on these, and I'm not stamping on the inside of these. I'm just using paper and stickers, and they went by super duper fast. This is also something you can do for different holidays. If you're someone who wants to pop a note in your, significant other's lunchbox, or if you want to do it in your kiddos, nieces, grandkids, whatever. These are super quick and super easy to make, and you could literally sit down and make as many as you wanted to if you were using various different stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in these vinyl stickers. So you saw me in the last couple of videos use these as die cuts rather than using these as die cut stickers. But today I am taking the backers off and I'm using them as stickers. I think these are absolutely fun. And you get 4, I believe it's 4 of each design in these stickers. So I'm going to bring in some of the rainbow hearts and add a rainbow heart to each of the sentiments, and then that's going to be it. So there are 5 to each of one design, or 2 each of 2 designs, and then the one pride that is a standalone. So we're going to move on to the rest of the cards. So I've cut down 3 pieces of white cardstock to 4 1/4 by 11, and I've scored at 5 1/4. Nope, 5 1/2. Then I am adding dimensional adhesive to, again, what is a die cut sticker. And that is because I want this popped up, and then I'm going to bring in more of these stickers to add around it to create a background. So all in all, I created 3 with the heart and the unicorn. I created 3 with the love is love, and then I created the 5 lunchbox notes. And again, those can go in a lunchbox, drop them in a purse, send them with flowers, however you want to use them. That's just the size that they're considered. When you bid and if you win, always, even if you're purchasing from my Etsy shop, all of my cards come with envelopes, including lunchbox notes. So I'm just going to continue to go through this. And as I mentioned, I will probably do that sometime in September or October. I need time to make more, but I also need time to kind of organize. If you are a card maker and you're someone who would like to donate to the auction, just reach out to me. My email is in the description box down below. I am TheJollyFatElf. Make sure you put the V up front. TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Although if you send me a message on Facebook, they've changed it, so it's kind of weird, and I almost always never see them. So I apologize for that. So again, a huge thank you to Michael and Debra for participating in this with me. I know next year Michael would like to do this earlier, and I am 100% on board with that. He also has some more ideas on what we can do going forward. So yeah, that's it. here's a look at the lone one by itself that eventually becomes 2 more cards. I appreciate you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.